Have you ever had, know someone who has had, or suffered from candidiasis? Did you know that according to research, 3 out of 4 women will have candidiasis at some point in their lives? Candidiasis is a very common infection caused by the fungus Candida, which can affect the skin, nails, genitals, throat, bloodstream, and mouth. This infection can occur in both men and women, but women are usually more affected. The fungus is present in all healthy bodies in a balanced amount. However, when the balance of Candida in the body is lost, it can release toxins into the bloodstream and cause a series of symptoms that can affect health. Candida problems often occur when hormonal levels decrease in the body as a result of the consumption of antibiotics, stress, and a diet high in refined carbohydrates and sugars. Despite the discomfort, the good news is that candidiasis is curable by taking the necessary measures. In fact, you will now learn how to use sage to naturally cure candidiasis. According to studies by the Tabriz University of Medical Sciences in Iran, sage can help in the treatment of vulvovaginal candidiasis. According to researchers, sage is rich in camphor, a compound that helps promote healthy skin cell growth. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. In addition, it helps prevent the proliferation of fungi and bacteria that cause candidiasis. It is also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, helping to strengthen the immune system, as low immunity is one of the factors that cause candidiasis. If this is your case, researchers suggest consuming sage tea and taking a sitz bath with the herb. To prepare this tea, dry sage leaves should be used, as it is from them that the active substances are extracted. You will need 1 teaspoon of dried sage leaves and 250 milliliters of water. Boil the water, turn off the heat, add the sage leaves, mix well, cover, and let steep for 10 minutes. Now just strain and consume. For the sitz bath, you will need 1 tablespoon of dried sage leaves for every liter of water. Boil the water, turn off the heat, add the sage, stir, and let steep for 10 minutes. Then strain, put it in a basin that you can sit in. Sit and remain for 15 minutes. The amount should be enough to cover the genitals while sitting in the basin. I suggest preparing the infusion before bedtime and letting it work overnight to bathe when you wake up. The sage sitz bath helps against vaginal dryness, combating the growth of bacteria and fungi in the intimate area. Remember that it is always important to have gynecological follow-up to take care of your health. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should not use it and should talk to their doctors. If you suffer from candidiasis, try the natural treatment with sage and then share your experience with us.